right. All right, Madam Clerk, that is 9-1. Those voting in favor of the budget, Councilmember Chris, Cullington, Art, Wright, Colvin, Moan, Jensen, Hare, Dawkins. Voting in opposition, Councilmember Waddell.
The Fayetteville City Council has approved next year's budget for all city departments. The $229.7 million budget does not raise taxes or fees and will go into effect in July. Property taxes will remain at 49.95 cents per $100 of property values. The majority of the budget funds city services such as trash collection, police and fire protection, and infrastructure maintenance. Other items funded by the budget include expansion of the Cape Fear River Trail, funding for the construction of the new senior centers on the west and east side of town, and $1.8 million increase in funding to make emergency repairs to the city's stormwater infrastructure. For more information on the budget, visit www.fayettevillenc.gov/budget and click on the link for the Budget Chronicles. The Cool Spring District has kicked off a new concert and street festival in downtown Fayetteville on the 100 block of Person Street. Every Thursday night from June to August 22nd, the Downtown Summer Night Series will feature a variety of musical artists, downtown vendors, and food trucks. The family-friendly and free event is produced by Cumulus Media and 5 Star Entertainment and is sponsored by Kubota of Fayetteville. The fun begins in the evening at 6 and ends at 9. For a complete lineup of the summer's musical acts, go to Facebook and like Downtown Fayetteville. Post Commander Ed Beard of VFW Post 6018 stopped by Fire Station 14 recently to honor and recognize 2 Fayetteville firefighters, Firefighter Bill Lawrence and Lieutenant Joe Bumgarner, for their service and dedication to the community. Lieutenant Bumgarner was recognized as the VFW Firefighter of the Year, and Firefighter Lawrence was recognized as EMT of the Year. Congratulations go out to both firefighters for their hard work and service to the community. The Fayetteville Police Department has used their expertise in drone operations in training drone pilots from city departments across the city. Firefighters, engineers, and public information specialists underwent flight school training with the police department to prepare for testing with the FAA for their Part 107 drone pilot license. By receiving training from a police sergeant who is also a certified pilot instructor through the FAA, the city saved thousands of dollars for each student to receive their drone license. Cities across the country use drones in a variety of roles, ranging from search and rescue missions by public safety agencies to engineers using drones to inspect streetlights instead of hoisting someone in the air in a bucket truck. Drones can improve efficiencies for departments while reducing the dangers for personnel. Fayetteville Cumberland Parks and Recreation has 4 new splash pads, with a 5th currently under construction. Cumberland County funded the construction of the new splash pads, with Fayetteville Cumberland Parks and Recreation overseeing these splash pads in Eastover, Wade, Grays Creek, Godwin, and the final one in Linden, which will be opening soon. The splash pads have multiple water features and are open to all ages. The hours are Monday through Saturday from 10 in the morning to 7 at night, and on Sundays from 2 to 7. The splash pads will continue operations through the summer until September 30th. The splash pad areas are also wheelchair accessible. Fayetteville Cumberland Parks and Recreation is a joint department that serves both residents in Fayetteville and Cumberland County. Visit www.fcpr.us for hours and more information about all the splash pads and pools within the Fayetteville Cumberland Parks and Recreation system. The Fayetteville Area System of Transit needs your input. If city transit buses were allowed to circulate more on Fort Bragg and coming from the various bus stops across the city, would there be an interest from the military population in using fast buses to be transported to Womack or any other places on Fort Bragg, like the commissary or the PX? The survey only takes a few minutes and will help staff with FAST determine if there is an interest for a fast route to Fort Bragg. The survey is available online at www.ridefast.net.